Ever pondered what might occur if you sipped hibiscus tea every single day for an entire month? Well, there's a certain allure surrounding the idea of hibiscus tea, a common beverage steeped in rich history. In this video, we're going to delve into that very curiosity. We're setting out on a fascinating exploration to uncover the effects of consuming hibiscus tea daily over a 30-day period. So get ready to be enlightened. Join us in this invigorating journey of exploring the astonishing effects of hibiscus tea on the human body. Before diving into the effects, it's crucial to understand what hibiscus tea truly is. Originating from the vibrant petals of the hibiscus flower, this herbal tea has been steeped in tradition for centuries. Its roots trace back to ancient Egypt and Sudan, but it's enjoyed worldwide today. The flavor? It's a delightful balance of tart and sweet, akin to cranberries. Typically, the petals are dried, then steeped in boiling water to extract their goodness. Now that we know what hibiscus tea is, let's delve into what happens when you drink it every day. Imagine beginning your day with a warm cup of hibiscus tea every morning for a month. What changes might you notice? Let's start with day 1. On the first day, you might not notice much, but behind the scenes, the tea is already at work. Its antioxidant properties start to combat free radicals in your body, those tiny troublemakers that can cause damage to your cells. As we move into week 1, you may start to feel a subtle shift. Your digestion might improve thanks to the natural diuretic properties of hibiscus tea. This means less bloating and a happier tummy overall. By day 10, our cardiovascular system starts to reap the benefits. The tea's anthocyanins, those are the compounds that give the hibiscus its vibrant color, may help to lower blood pressure. It's like a daily mini spa session for your heart. Midway into this journey, around day 15, you might find your immune system strengthened. Hibiscus tea is rich in vitamin C, a key player in boosting our body's defenses. So, while you're sipping your tea, you're also building a fortress against common illnesses. By day 20, your body might be feeling quite invigorated. The tea's potential effects on metabolism could mean you're feeling more energetic, and perhaps even noticing some weight loss. It's like having a personal trainer in a teacup. As we reach the final stretch around day 30, the cumulative effects are really in full swing. Your body could be running like a well-oiled machine, with improved cardiovascular health, stronger immunity, better digestion, and an overall sense of vitality. But remember, everyone's body reacts differently, and these experiences might not be universal. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen. This journey we've just embarked on is supported by scientific research, but it's just the tip of the iceberg. The world of hibiscus tea is vast and full of potential benefits waiting to be explored. As we've seen, the changes that occur in the body over this period are truly remarkable. Drinking hibiscus tea daily might seem like a small lifestyle change, but as we've seen, the effects can be profound. This vibrant, tangy tea is loaded with an array of health benefits that can truly revolutionize your wellness journey. First off, hibiscus tea is renowned for its potential to lower blood pressure. Consistent intake can contribute to a healthier heart and lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Now, who wouldn't want that? Boosting immunity is another feather in its cap. Full of vitamin C and antioxidants, it fortifies your body's defenses, making you less susceptible to common illnesses. And let's not forget its role in improving digestion. By promoting a healthy gut, hibiscus tea can alleviate bloating, constipation, and other digestive discomforts. In a nutshell, this ruby red elixir is a powerhouse of health benefits, all wrapped up in a delightful, refreshing cup of tea. Why not give it a try? You might be surprised at the changes you notice after just 1 month of daily hibiscus tea.